nice broken wires. An 05 Town and Country. Doors won't open. We're gonna replace that cord, wires, whatever you want to call it. I got some brand new ones here. Here's the part numbers. You got 747 310 and 747 311. One's for the right, one's for the left. Okay, so these you gotta pry it. Just like that. I got them clips. So we can get this side piece off here. Show you right down in here is the plug right there. We'll get that unplugged and trace the wire all the way back here. Come back to the door. Okay, so we got that unplugged. The gray one looks like it is for the driver's side. Pull that out of there. Can't hurt nothing. There's another little clip deal down in there. That little guy there, pry that off of there. We'll match up the colors, green, green for drivers. Safety clip is in. Ready? Safety clip snaps up like that. It should look just like that. See one difference. They got a plastic part here from the factory that goes around this piece here. And all they give you is this little hole, but there's no hole deal clip. So I'm just gonna zip tie it around this. That's just gotta hold it up, and that plastic will go over that. Just like that. So there again, we were missing a clip here. Wasn't on here. This guy's supposed to be on there. That's the old one. So I just went and reused this one here. Zip tie it. There's a hole right there. And then there's a clip provided right here for this hole down here. Look at that rust. That's what I wanted, to pull that door in. I don't necessarily need these doors. That should open on its own, but that don't work anymore for some crazy reason. Try it again. Less road noise that way. Works like it's new, I guess. A lot of crusties in there. Push that little guy down there. Pop it with a screwdriver. And same thing with this one. Get the screws off. Biggest thing here is note how this is nicely tucked in. There. That's how that goes. Away from that gear. Then got another connector there. Pop that. I don't care. Rip it. Whatever you gotta do. Clicked. Bam. Just like ice cream. Route it around here. Notice the color, driver's side. Just come in like that. Bam. What I know is these clips here that they supply are junk. Watch. Things just shatter. God, I don't even know why I'm fixing this thing. What a pile. Yep, it opens, closes just like it's supposed to. That's a good sign. Cool. We'll see if this one, I don't remember. No, I guess you gotta push the button on these. I don't remember. 05 minivan. Nice, and pulls that in. Okay, so that should help you out on road noise. That's the only reason I did this. I really don't need the doors to work, but I wanted the road noise to be quieter. Thanks for watching.